In the vastness of space, two astronauts, Alex and Jamie, floated in their spacecraft, tinkering with a metal 3D printer. Imagine printing a pizza up here, Alex mused, adjusting the machine. Jamie chuckled. I'd settle for a printed coffee. As they initiated the printer, it whirred and clanked, spitting out a shiny object. What's that? Alex asked, puzzled. Jamie squinted. Looks like a wrench? Suddenly, the wrench floated away, bouncing off the walls. Well, at least it's not a pizza, Alex laughed. Jamie grinned. Next time, let's print a net to catch our creations.